Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So I got my wall done for April with fun pastels, spring colors, and I think it turned out so nice. So I'm going to try to walk without putting my shadow in the video. So there it is, guys. Thank you to everyone who commented and watched all our March Green Month videos. Thank you to my collab ladies. Thank you to the other ladies who joined in and showed us their green bags. Now, spring is in the air, guys, and this month there's going to be a lot of beautiful colors shown. So it's not going to be like a whole month, but if you guys want to join in again and show all your pastels and spring colors, please do. I would love to see it. I will share it. If you tag me, I will share it on the community page, so everyone that watches me can also watch your fun spring colors that you want to show. Look how cute. Now on the bottom here, this is just a placeholder I put in my pillows in the back because I don't like the black industrial look of this wall unit, even though it's a nice size and it holds a lot, but I just wanted to cover it up. It's a placeholder. I put my, of course, Dooney clear these are clear bags, and they're just holding the place because, of course, I have some new bags coming for the month. So I needed a placeholder. I'll be moving stuff around, but this is how we're going to start. Mostly this is the background you're going to see for all of April. Look at that. I tried very hard to bring out all my colors, my flowers, what I consider spring. I know some of you might not agree with the choices I have on here, but I like them and I think it's springy. Let me know what you think on the bottom. Are the colors spring to you? There is the new Brighten. Love it. Thank you to everyone who watched that video. Of course, we're going to do another Brighten this month. On the 1st, April 1st, will be the chit chat video where I'll talk about what's to come for April, what I have planned for you guys. So thank you to everyone who has come aboard, who has subscribed. I appreciate it. Thank you to my regulars. Love you guys. I mean, this channel would not be here if it wasn't for the support and love from my regulars who are always here showing me love and support. Thank you. I do this whole wall thing for my regulars because they like to see the bags and the display. And of course, all the new people who join along get to also see the display. And I hope if you're new here, you like what you're seeing and you will hit that subscribe. It's free, guys. It helps me a lot. It helps me to go on and do more because it's a little thing. It's free. You just hit that subscribe button and the notifications. But that helps the YouTubers that you enjoy watching a lot. Bless you, Robert. He's up there sneezing. I think he got my cold. So, of course, the top is mostly storage, but I did try to make it a little bit more nicer to look at. I put in some colors that might go with my spring, but some of those bags cannot be put in storage. I will not risk it, so that's why they're up there. Look how pretty. So this is the wall, guys, for April. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. On the bottom, leave me a comment, something Let me know what you feel about the wall. Did I take away the industrialness to it? These shelves are very big, very man cave kind of look to them. I try to make it a little bit softer, more feminine, and these tapes really do help. And the tape idea came from my daughter, believe it or not. So she's like, why don't you tape it? Like, okay, let's try. I would have never thought of it. But look how nice it changes the look. I think it kind of floats the blackness of the shelves, and it gives you a pop of color so you can see all the bags. I love this idea. So if anybody has these industrial shelves and you want like to change it out, yeah, tape, guys. This is just craft tape from Hobby Lobby. Look how cute. So there you have it, guys, my new wall for April. Thank you all for watching. I will zoom into the most requested thing people want to see. There she is, the Dooney and Bourke Barbie. Every video on this wall gets a comment, or I get a message sent saying, I didn't know that Barbie had a Dooney and Bourke version. Yes, this is an official Barbie product for Dooney and Bourke and Barbie. They did collab, and they do have these for sale if you guys want to on eBay, and I'm sure on the other platforms. But they can be pricey if you're going to purchase one. Like me, I was never going to take it out of the box. I think the whole appeal of it is in the box. So you want to get one that has a nice box. So make sure you look out for that. And there she is. Thanks, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.